Welcome to my today's online class. I am Shaheen Ahmed Khan, Senior Teacher English, St. Gregory's High School and College, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 5 on English first paper, Unit 10, Part 1. I have divided Unit 10 into two parts. Today I am going to take Part 1. In my next class I will talk about the second part of Unit 10. Look at the circle of the map and try to say the name of the red marked place. This is Kishorganj district. Can you guess what our today's lesson is? Today I will discuss on Unit 10 lessons 1 to 2 on my home district part 1. In my next class I will talk about second part of my home district. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from context, write answers to questions, and write a paragraph. Keywords. Known, meaning familiar. Town, meaning a large, densely populated urban area. Important, meaning of great significance. Landlord, meaning a person who possesses a large area of land. Near, meaning not far away in distance. Fort, meaning a military building designed to be defended from attack. Famous, meaning widely known. Writer, meaning a person who writes articles, books, stories, etc. Painter, meaning an artist who paints pictures. Ground, meaning the solid surface of the earth. Mosque, meaning a place where Muslims go to say their prayers. Temple, meaning a building used for the worship of a god or gods. Look at some important places in the district of Kishorganj. In picture 1 we see Shiv temple of Chandrabhuti. In picture 2 we see Government Guru Dayal College. In picture 3 we see Pagla Mosque. And in picture 4 we see Fort of Isha Khan. Here we see the picture of Shah Muhammad Mosque and Sholakia Eid ground. Look at the pictures of some famous persons in the district of Kishoreganj. Here we see Upendra Kishore Rai Chaudhary, who was a writer of children's literature. We see Jainul Abidin, who was a great painter, and Sayyid Nazrul Islam, who was the first acting president of Bangladesh. All these three persons were born in Kishoreganj. This is a text on Mamun's home district. In this text, Mamun is describing his home district Kishoreganj. My home district is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 1745 villages. The name Kishoreganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brajokishore Pramanik or Nandokishore Pramanik. The area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narasunda flows through the town. Kishoreganj is a small town, but there are many important places in and around it. The largest Eid fairgrounds called Sholakia Eid ground and the well-known government Guru Dayal College are in the town. People from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. The Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. Outside the town, you can visit the fort of Isha Khan at Jangalbari. You can also see the Shah Mahmud Mosque at Agaro Sindhur. Near the Phuleshwari river, you can see the Shiva temple of Chandravati. Kishoreganj is also the home district of some famous people. Chandravati, the first woman poet of Bangla literature, was born here. Two writers of children's literature, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhary and Sukumar Roy, are also from here. The great painter Jainul Abidin comes from this Kishoreganj too. Sayyid Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh, is also from here. I love my home district. From this text, we can know information about Mamun's home district, Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj is a small town, and in this town there are many remarkable places, and for these places Kishoreganj is very famous, and in this town many famous persons were born. They are Upendra Kishore Rai Chaudhary, Sukumar Roy, Chandravati, Jainul Abidin, Sayyid Nazrul Islam. And this town is very much famous for Sholakia Eid ground. And Sholakia Eid ground is famous because this is the largest Eid fair ground in Bangladesh. So because of various reasons, Kishoreganj is very important place. This is an exercise on true false. Here you see there are 10 sentences. Some of them are true and some of them are false. Let us talk about the answers. Question number 1. There are 8 upajelas in Kishoreganj district. False. The river Narasunda flows through the town. True. Number 3. Kishoreganj is a small town. True. Number 4. The largest Eid fairground is situated in Dhaka. False. Number 5. People come to Sholakia to celebrate Eid. True. Number 6. The Pagla Mosque is in Sirajganj. False. Number 7. The Shiva temple of Chandraboti is in Kishoreganj. True. Number 8. The great writer Joinul Abidin comes from Sylhet. False. Number 9. Sukumar Rai wrote for the children. True. Number 10. Syed Nazrul Islam comes from Kishoreganj. True. We have learned many things about Mamun's home district Kishoreganj. Now, if you are asked to write a composition, especially short composition on your home district, you can write about your own home district. Here, as a model answer, I have typed about Sirajganj. My home district is Sirajganj. It is the gateway to the North Bengal. It is about 2497.92 square kilometer. The river Jamuna flows beside the town. The district has 9 upazilas, 6 municipalities, 83 unions and 2180 villages. The name Sirajganj comes from the name of Jamindar Siraj Ali Chaudhary. There are many historical places in and around it. Among them, Bangabandhu Bridge, Navaratna Mandir, Rabindra Kachari Bari are famous. Sirajganj is also the home district of some famous people. They are Maulana Bhashani, M. Mansur Ali, Sayyid Ismail Hussain Siraji, Suchitra Sen. It is one of the most beautiful districts in Bangladesh. I love my home district very much. That's the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's class. Wish your best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my today's class. See you later.